Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume issue on your DYON Movie Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the sidebar and open Settings. Then in Settings, you're gonna have to scroll down to the Sound menu, open it, and here, first of all, if everything was alright previously, then what I recommend doing is going into the sound mode settings, then selecting reset current mode as the last option on the list. Click OK, and now check your sound volume once again. Everything should return back to normal. However, if your sound volume is still kind of poor, we can go to the sound mode and switch it from standard to, for example, theater, which will improve the overall sound quality on this TV, or you can adjust the sound mode to yourself by selecting one of the available options right here. And now, besides, make sure to go to audio output and set the audio output that you're using. By default, you should use TV speaker if you don't have any sound devices connected to your TV. If you do have any other sound device connected to your TV, then you're gonna have to select the output you're using to connect this device right here. And also in sound mode settings, you can first of all select where you want to apply your audio settings, but it's not very important here. Right now we can select all sources and just go with it. Then also check the equalizer. Now equalizer is unique to the current sound mode, and if you want to increase the sound volume on your TV, you can adjust the equalizer by increasing each value by 1 to 3 steps. And if you want to reset values, select reset to default. So here you can basically just increase the overall volume on your TV. Now besides, let's also check our remote control. Make sure that you don't have mute button pressed, for example. If the mute button isn't pressed, try simply adjusting your sound volume with the volume buttons. So increase your volume button and check the volume again. Also make sure that auto volume control is disabled, as it will balance your volume, which may result in some programs being quieter than they should actually be. So it would be better if you disable auto volume control. Now, if you are using the mount, the wall mount setup for your TV, so if your TV is mounted on the wall, surely enable this mode. Okay, now let's also check the audio output settings. Now here we cannot do much except for increase dialogue sound volume by switching on dialogue enhancement. So if dialogue was the issue, dialogues in the movies were the issue, and you were not able to hear the dialogues, we can simply switch this toggle on, and the problem will be resolved. Now, if the problem still persists on your TV, then instead of sound settings, let's navigate down to accessibility, and in accessibility, let's select audio type. Now in audio type, we can do much, but in audio format, make sure that you either have the stereo option selected, or if the stereo works, that doesn't work quite well, or isn't working quite well for you, we can switch to multi-channel and see the difference. And also we can adjust the fader control. So select which sounds you want to hear better on your TV, the main sound or the voiceover sound. Just select the one, select each one of them and see which one works better for you. Okay, and so after going through all of these steps, you will definitely fix this low sound volume issue on your TV. And I hope that this video helped you with that, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.